We- Good morning everyone, so this is my day number 3 in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and we are going to Battambang today. It will take about 5 to 6 hours via car. My cousin and her family is driving me there, so I cannot wait to go there. I don't even know when was the last time I was there. Probably more than like 12 years ago, I think. No, it's 5 years ago. Yeah, I think it was 5 years ago, absolutely. Currently it is 5:40. My cousin, the other cousin, not Bina, he's going to pick up the car and then we go from there. We going there for 4 days, right? But look at how many things that they pack. Such a Cambodian things to do.
A few moments later.
Good morning everyone, we have come to a noodle shop. They sell, it's called Kampong Chhnang. They sell a lot of Cambodian food, so we are here for breakfast. I have ordered my chicken rice. But currently it is 8:20 a.m. and I'm quite hungry, to be honest, because I woke up at like 4:30. So yeah, it's been like 3.5 hours or 4 hours actually, yeah. 3.5 hours, 4 hours already in the journey. Then there are a lot more to go. Oh, I cannot wait to eat. Let's go eat. So we have come to this province. It's called Kampong Chhnang province. One of the most famous items that come from this province is the clay pot. But also recently they developed this Cambodian snack. We got some grilled banana with coconut, milk and shredded coconut. And then we've got some potato, pounded potato as well. Oh, they smell amazing, and with some sesame seed on top as well. My mouth is watering right now. I like, honestly, if you could smell this, it smells delicious. So this the snack that we just bought earlier, it's easy to find. This is right in this town center or province center. I'm not sure what is the proper term for it, but yeah, it's right in the center, just like, you know, along the market street. And literally the entire row of houses, they all sell these grilled bananas and pounded potatoes. So we have arrived at a gas station and some cafeteria down here for our morning tea. Currently it is 10:45. you know, for coffee break and morning tea and everything. We are in the second province at the moment. The province is called Pursat. It's on the way to Battambang. Normally, you know, people like to stop within each province so then, you know, they can relax and enjoy the province specialty. In this province in particular, their specialty is in marble, Cambodian marble. I have a few, like, you know, pots and other stuff that made from Cambodian marbles at home. Maybe I could show you guys if I have a chance. But anyway, we're going to stop here for like 15 minutes or so for a quick break and then we continue on. Okay, what do we have here? Huh? Hello. Hello. Hi. Okay, we've got some peacocks. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Oh. Hello. Oh, look at this. So over there we got some animals, got some peacocks, some, I think one lizard and parrots, and I think a couple of monkeys, but I'm not sure what type of monkey they are. So we just stopped and buy some Cambodian snack over there. It's the fermented fish cake. This province, by the way, this is a new province. We are in Battambang right now, but this is like kind of outskirts, not at the town center, where they sell all the you know, all this kind of thing like around the street. And yeah, so if you come to this junction, they sell like this type of snack like every street corner. In Cambodia, in Khmer, it's called we call it Nam Tray, or in English it's fermented fish cake. It's amazing. It's very savory, it's sour. Some seller they have like, you know, kind of like a sweet taste. Some seller they do like a bit salty, and I just love it. And here we go, as you can see. So from my memory, the way that they do it, they scrape the fish, like the raw fish flesh, right? They scrape it off the fillet, and then they mix it with all the ingredients, and then they cook it with the acid from the lime juice, and mix it with garlic and other herbs, and then they, you know, pump into this cylinder shape. After that, they let it ferment it for like a few hours or days. It depends on how much sour you want to put it in. Yeah, and then it's ready to eat. And right now they put, you know, all the regulation and everything, and the hygiene standards, so it's very, very safe to eat compared to what it was like 10 years ago or 20 years ago. Okay, so after this we are going to Banon Mountain or Banon Temple, which is like a really, really famous place in Battambang province. And it's like 15 years ago that I went there. More than that even, at least, whoa, like 15 minimum. I cannot believe it. It's just an amazing place. If you Google it, I put the names down below or on the screen. If you Google it, it's like the #1 place, a must-see attraction in this province. So we have come to this resort, which I believe is privatized. They charge $3 USD for a ticket. For the national Cambodian, for foreigner it's $6 US. Fortunately, I am Cambodian. I have the citizenship here, so I got charged with the $3 ticket. We are planning to do the bamboo train, or in Cambodia we call it lorry. I think it's a derivative word from the French language. There used to be bamboo trains, but I think right now they upgraded to something else with like a soft cushion. I believe the journey will be around the mountain for about 20 minutes from what I'm told, so I'm not sure how much time we have left, because currently it is like 1:30 at the moment. My auntie and the family is doing some photo shoot at the moment because of the decoration. Everyone does it because it's so beautiful right now. Today it's Thursday, so we don't see a lot of people here. Normally it's like people have to queue to get in.